So what we're going to do is a little exercise here to show you what we call fit-for-purpose equipment, which is a machine that looks like this, that was designed specifically to clean air conditioners, and a machine that wasn't fit for purpose or never built to clean air conditioners. So we'll just do a little exercise here on this coil. This is a reasonably heavy coil, but if you're going to clean ductless air conditioners properly, you need to be able to clean them with fit-for-purpose specialised equipment. So here we go. And you can see that one gun is pushing about nearly 7 litres a minute, and it's finding its way all the way through that coil, even though it's a bigger, older coil. The other one's pushing 2 litres a minute, if that, and obviously doesn't find its way properly through the coil. So it's not about pressure, it's in fact about water flow. You need to have plenty of flow from your pump. So out of the gun, when you're watching the two guns together at the front of the coil, they actually don't look any different. It sort of looks the same. But once you pull the coil up and have a look in behind, that's when you see the difference, because the machine that isn't pushing a good volume of water will not blow the mould and all of the dirt and dust that's in an air conditioner. It won't blow it off the back of the coil. It just leaves it sit there, like the one you can see in this photo. Whereas the fit-for-purpose gun and the volume of water it pushes will actually push that mould all the way through, down into the drain and outside, or into the catchment bag.